today I move forward with this book. I'm almost the last third of it, like 20% or something, and it has helped me to go through some basic stuff, the structure of how CSS, how HTML works, and it has been a good review on the way to do things. But what I have in my mind while I read it is that I prefer designing like in paper the layout of the website that I want to build, and then find out how to make it, rather than having everything on mind. But it's good to go through this book and understand that I can do some things that I didn't know how to do or that were possible, and it's good to have them in mind. So it has been helpful for me to go through this book to realize some things that I didn't know that existed. And if I do it the way that I said before, I will not find out those ways because they are not what I want to do in that moment. So it's good to see this overview of all HTML and CSS. It has been a good backup in my knowledge. And in the afternoon I started programming or like designing a new feature in the Human Music project, and it has been interesting to go through that process of designing in the paper again, so then I can think how the algorithm will work and which will be the functionality of it. It is really interesting to design in the paper and then post the challenge to program that, and I like that approach. I want to bring my knowledge to a point where I have enough knowledge inside me that I can design systems, whatever, in my head or in paper, or while I'm walking, or while I'm in nature, or thinking, listening to music, not just like sitting down in the computer. I want to limit the time that I am coding, so that I am like all the time that I am awake and thinking about how to build the systems that I want to build. So it's a good thing to know what I can do or how I can do it, so that I can design the ways for achieving that in code. So that motivates me to learn more and more, and it feels good.